Hey, what's up everyone? Today we are working on my personal vehicle, which is an '04 Saturn Ion Redline. The Redline, if you don't know what it is, which a lot of people do not, if you know what a supercharged Cobalt SS is, this is the same thing. Same engine, same platform, just with a Saturn body. Thanks to my wife right there. She did a lot of the body work on this thing yesterday and got a few places on the front bumper patched up and bondoed. What we're going to be doing on this thing today is Army Green, which requires the avalanche gray base. So we're going to be putting 2 gallons, possibly 3 gallons of base down on this before we start the green itself.
All right, so while Steven is getting everything ready to go ahead and get it started, get his base coat down, make sure his gun's all cleaned. This is some of the things we did. We did use filler primer on here and Bondo. There was some massive holes on the front bumper and a few really bad gouges on the vehicle. But that's only because this vehicle is 17 years old. But it's in great condition for how old it is. And it runs like a dream. We are extremely excited to be able to dip such a rare car in an amazing color. And just a little walk around on the car. And it does have full Recaro factory seats from it. And
a supercharged 2-liter LSJ with a 5-speed manual trans.
now we have done a lot of upgrades on this vehicle after we got it. Everything from the flywheel to the clutch on this vehicle is brand new. There is a stage 2 clutch in and also a stage 2 flywheel, but it's a lightweight flywheel, so we went from
22 pounds to 8 pounds.
Yeah, we went from 22 pounds to 8 pounds on the flywheel, so it's instant start and stop. We're just very lucky we got to find such a rare car for Steven to drive. It's amazing. It's great on long trips, and I'm hoping that we'll be able to keep this vehicle for forever. I mean, until it falls apart and we can't fix it anymore. Because it's so rare that you can't find these anymore. In fact, we've never actually met a person besides us that owns one.
So, the Ion Redline, I believe, was made from 2004 to 2007. In that time span, there was less than 6,000 of them ever made, and less than half of those are even on the road nowadays. Most of them are parted out, totaled, anything like that. So we got a good deal on this one. Put a lot of work into it, a lot of brand new parts, aftermarket parts. ZZ Performance is the best place to go to get aftermarket parts for your Eco Tags, your 3800s, Camaros, the ATSs, anything like that. So I'll put a link of the website in the description below. But once we get this thing sprayed, and I have to get new tires on this thing tomorrow, take you out for a test drive.
All right, well, that is it for now, and we'll be back in a few for an update.
So we got the 2 gallons. Well, actually, I laid down 2.5 gallons of the Avalanche Gray. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on the Army Green. Here's what the car looks like now. Everything's nice and gray. Looking good, looking good. Can't really see the body work that we've done, so that's perfect. And the front end is not completely perfect, but it's a lot better than what it was. And it covered up a lot of the rock chips and everything that was in the hood. So on these cars, basically the whole body is plastic, except for the hood and the trunk right here. This is plastic. And that's pretty awesome on these, because if you ever break anything, even a door panel, it's like 6 bolts or so to take out from the back side of the door, and you can replace that whole panel. But that's also what kind of sucks about these, because on these older Saturns, paint on the plastic doesn't hold up very well. Especially if you don't really take care of it, which I think the previous owner really didn't, but we'll see. But I'm going to go ahead and start getting this Army Green mixed up, get my gun cleaned out, and go from there. I love how the Army Green, before it's mixed up, is always orange. And this is the reason why you can't do dip armor on Army Green, because it pulls the orange hue out of it and ruins the whole job. Sadly, because I did want to do dip armor on this, but I can't.
I knew from the start, you my bunny, I'm your Clark. From now to eternity, I give you all my heart. We are meant to be, it's clear to see. My love is bigger than I thought. I got everything I want when I hold you with my arm.
Hey, sweetie. Alright, so we got all the green laid down. She's looking amazing in this color. So what we're going to do now is peel everything off, and then probably pick this video up tomorrow for some good daytime pics. Sound good? Alright. Alright, so we got the car pulled out. She's looking amazing right now. The green, I think that was a good choice for that car.
I would have to agree with you on that one.
And we are going to be blacking out the badges, which I'll show you here. So the Saturn badge on the fenders, the hood, and the black grill inserts, well, they're going to be black here soon, but not today. Also, I think for this color, I'm going to try a distressed look. What do you think?
Yeah.
So I'm going to have to call Jason Brozak and see how he perfects that technique. And I think that's going to look really, really good on this car. We are done here for tonight. We're going to take this thing back home and get the new tires put on tomorrow.
One of those. Huh? Dang! I'm excited, bro. I'm fucking excited.
Alright, so we're back at the house. We have our friend Kayla over here, which is one of our sponsor cars. I'll post a pic of what the car used to look like here. And we're here at the house changing out wheels and tires on it now. Here's what it looks like. Basic ass Dodge Dart wheels. And what we're doing to it is putting some 1-inch spacers on it. And these. Looking really, really good. Go do a pose next to it. Some Japanese shit. Okay. Well, there you go.
Don't do this.
Alright, so once we get these wheels on, I'm going to be putting these on my car, these old raggedy bastards, because my tires are shot. They're from 2013. Yeah. So, putting the wheels on my car tonight for the car meet, and then tomorrow I'm going to be swapping these tires over to mine.
That 1 inch made a whole difference.
Yeah.
It usually does, doesn't it? All right, Kayla, what you think?
I fucking love it.
Yeah.
It's so cool.
Hop on it. Yeah, that shit ain't.
This one side.
Yeah, that shit ain't moving. All right, take a break. Put those on there.
Majority.
And that's why we have a YouTube.
Yeah, exactly.
Because he breaks his shit weekly.
Quite frankly.
Yep.
I don't break one a month.
Yours breaks weekly.
Yes.
Sometimes.
My shit over there, yeah, weekly.
Fucking, well, it's more reliable than these. You know, the clap and the clapper. I mean, these Mopar shits. Fucking
Well, it's been a long weekend. We sprayed the car on Friday. It is currently Monday. So we had, company over all weekend. We've been working on chargers and G8s and darts and pretty much everything. But now that everyone's gone, relax, do what we need to do. But here's the car now. It's dirty, but army green, rocking the dart wheels, which are curb rash from hell, and you might like the little Hell Kitten decal we got made. So got those on both sides. I do have to go by the shop one day and get these tires swapped over to my Redline wheels and give these back to Kayla, the owner of the Dart. And that's pretty much it. So get all that done, and that's pretty much it for this video. I did get some clips of just random stuff, so I'm gonna throw those in at the end. Hope you enjoyed the content. Hope you like the color, all that good stuff. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, and have a good one.
He's gonna get.
Austin, give me a 30.
Huh?
Can you not leave him
Alright,
in
then I'll let me back one day.
Thank you.
No, all the way there right there. 6 over 6 over.